Law of equipartition of energy. The total energy of a system in thermal equilibrium is equally distributed among its all degree of freedom. Okay. Then kinetic energy we take consider like of gas molecule, that is monoatomic gas molecule, and it's only translatory motion, and all all molecule collide against each other. Then then the collisions suffered by each molecule is the order of the 1 billion. Okay, then its components will be three components: Vx, Vy, and Vz. Vx is equal to Vy is equal to Vz. Okay, then kinetic energy half m Vx square is equal to half m Vy square is equal to half m Vz square. Okay, is equal to E. Okay, E is the kinetic energy per molecule of degree of freedom. E is the kinetic energy per molecule of degree of freedom. Okay, degree of for monoatomic gas, degree of freedom will be 3. Okay, kinetic energy, then kinetic energy per molecule, kinetic energy per molecule is equal to half m Vx square plus half m Vy square plus half m Vz square is equal to E plus E plus E is equal to 3 into E. Okay, then kinetic energy per molecule, kinetic energy per molecule is equal to 3/2 into kT. Kinetic energy per monoatomic gas is equal to per 1 mole 3/2 nRT. Okay, kinetic energy per molecule is equal to 3/2 K into T. K is the Boltzmann constant, T is the temperature. Then we write E is equal to 3 into 3/2 kT. Okay, 3E is equal to this. That means E is equal to 1/3 into 3/2 kT. Then 3 will be cancelled. E is equal to half kT. Or we can write for monoatomic gas, for kinetic energy of monoatomic gas, this E is equal to this according to law of equipartition energy. Okay, then kinetic energy of, how we get this value? Kinetic energy of monoatomic gas is equal to 3/2 nRT. for 1 mole, kinetic energy for 1 mole is equal to 3/2 RT. N is equal to 1 for 1 atom. Degree of freedom is equal to 3 degree of freedom. 3 degree of freedom. Degree of freedom will be 3 for monatomic gas. Okay. Degree of freedom is equal to 3/2. Okay. R by Na into T. Okay. 3/2 kBT. Okay. We know R is equal to Na into Kb. Okay. Then for 1 degree of freedom, 3 degree of freedom will be this. I will write in one step extra. 3 degree of freedom is equal to 3/2 kBT. 1 degree of freedom three by 2 into 3, 1/3. Half kBT. Okay. Thank you.